Yeah, fine. Thank you. Sit down. Yeah, I know. I'll update it for the rest of the classes. Don't worry. So let's move on to this next topic. How much we have covered till yesterday, or the whatever the last class was? Minimization using Mahel-Néraud theorem or regular? Okay, let me open the PPT. So that is what we have done. The steps what we have written are these steps, and these steps now have to be implemented. So first we have to find out the unreachable states, and then we have to find out the duplicate states, and then further we have to remove these two. Where is the question what we were looking for? TC3, minimization of DFA. Unreachable states I have explained. This was NFA to DFA conversion. Fine. So after these steps, now what we need is, now we need a question to implement, right? I have taken this question in other classes. So let me take you to that question. This is the question what we are going to implement for performing those steps what we have written before. All right. So there we are supposed to implement this particular question. So you must be comfortable enough with the concept of unreachable state. Are you? I need answers from online and offline both students. Are you comfortable enough? Both of you? Fine. So now what you have to do, first you have to find out the unreachable states in this particular one. So just you can turn out your pages on your notebook and check out the definition of unreachable state, and then find out and let me know that what are the unreachable states in this given diagram. If you want, I can give you a quick lookout on these steps, right? So this is the definition of unreachable state. Now you have to find out the unreachable state according to this definition in the diagram what I have shown you just now. All right. So now just let me, what are the unreachable states? Q2. So what is the definition? Can you please let me know? Tell me what is the definition? The offline students are saying, the people sitting in front of me are saying Q2 is supposed to be the unreachable state. But please tell me how Q2 becomes. First, read the definition.
Sir, it is not visible. Share the PPT.
Pardon, your voice is not audible. Speak little loud. Dirjay, Speak loud if you
Okay,
are saying something.
okay, your PPT is not visible. Please share it on the screen.
Dear, you are still not audible to me. Can you please speak loud?
Okay, the PPT is not visible, sir. Please share the on the screen.
Sure. Now it should be visible to you. Now check this out. Is it visible to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Where is the slideshow? Yeah. So I guess now this PPT is visible to all the online students. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Dirije, let me know. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yes. So tell me, which one is the unreachable state from here?
Q2.
How Q2? Just read the definition of unreachable state and then tell me why Q2 should be. Read the definition you must be having in your notes. Not to you. I'm saying it to the online students. Q3, definitely Q3 is. Apart from Q3, is there anything else which is the unreachable state? Achamu,
Because it is not reachable from the first state, I think.
it's not about whether it is reachable from first state or not. It's all about whether it is reachable or not, whether it is having some incoming arrows or not. It's never necessary that it should be reachable from the very first state onwards. The reason being, if you remember this one, we have taken here so many diagrams. Here Q2, if you see this particular state, even this particular one was not reachable from the first state, it was reachable from Q1, but it doesn't mean that it becomes unreachable. For being unreachable, the minimum condition is a state is said to be unreachable if and only if there is no incoming arrow available in that particular state. In that case only you will say that the particular state is unreachable, right? Are you clear for this?
Yes.
So such state is Q3. So if I want to remove Q3, then what I'm supposed to remove? First, I will remove Q3. Then I will remove all the outgoing arrows from Q3, right? So if I remove all the outgoing arrows, if I remove these arrows from Q3, I just want to do one request. To all the present students, the people who are present, can you please do me a favor? Just inform to your classmates that this session is being started as per the new timetable. Links are not updated yet, but yes, session has been started. Can you please take 2 minutes to inform to rest of your classmates? Can you please do this? Everybody please inform on the Telegram or the WhatsApp group of TC3 that kindly join the class. Yes, thank you so much, Rohit. Please do this. There, can you please post this link of class on the Telegram group? Post this link on the Telegram.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So have you shared the meeting information? Ask everyone to join it. Yeah. So now we have got some bunch of students with us. That's fine. Now we have got a bit better crowd with us. The people who have already joined, the people who have already joined, please find out the unreachable states in this. The people who have already joined, please find out the unreachable states in this one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so now I'm sharing my screen. Fine. So now it should be visible to everyone.
Yes, sir. Visible.
So based on the definition which we have written for the unreachable states in the last class, this Q3, this is the original diagram, what you have. And this Q3 is supposed to be the unreachable states. From tomorrow onwards, all your classes will be there on time. Okay. And according to the new timetable, what you have got, I just want to know one thing, that how many students are there in the hostels? I just want to know this thing, how many students are there in the hostels?
Me, sir.
All those students who are there in the hostels, everybody please start attending these classes in offline mode. All right. Otherwise, it will be difficult for everyone to manage the classes. So I want as many people as possible in the offline mode. Okay. Everybody please make sure that if you are present in the college, then please attend these classes regularly, and that too in the offline mode, not in the online mode. Okay. Come in the class. Online and online mode should be used only by those students who are not here in the city. Only those students should take these classes online.
Sorry, sir. The class starts at 7:30, right?
No, today it has not started at 7:30, as I have told you that I was on leave for last 1 week. So that's why it could not start. I did not have an idea about this. So that's why it could not start at 7:30. But yes, from the next class onwards, like from tomorrow onwards, it's damn sure that it is going to start as per the time, as per your new timetable. It is going to start.
Sir, okay. There is no break for breakfast or for lunch. So how can we proceed?
Whatever is your updated timetable, we will follow that. If there is a break in that timetable, then you will get it. If there is no break in the timetable, you will not get it. First, I would like to know those names who are still present in the hostel. Can you please let me know? Fine, that's fine. Just as if now, let's mark your attendance for this particular lecture, and further we are going to carry on in the next class. All right. So let me just mark your attendances. From tomorrow onwards, everybody, you can be sure about it that your classes will be on time, whatever is the new timetable. About the breaks, you just have to check it into the timetable. If in timetable there is a break, then there will be, and if in timetable there is no break, then there is no break.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, as I mentioned that all the classes link is not coming in my Google Calendar. So how I will attend the classes?
Today
Since 1
itself,
week,
I'll
sir.
start working on that. Today itself, I'll start working on that. But are you not getting any of the link, or just few links you are not getting?
Hmm. Yes, sir. Few links. Sometimes this subject not coming and sometimes another one like that.
Okay,
Yes,
Ravi,
sir. Yes.
is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
mark
If
a
it will be
mark a
mentioned,
mail
that
to
will be
me.
a good. I mailed
Mark
you
a
already,
mail to
sir.
me.
I
Mail me
already
once
mailed you, sir.
again,
Okay, okay, sir.
dear. Mail me once again. Okay, mail me once
Okay, sir.
again.
Thank you.
Whatever are the classes. There must be some information deficit in your some information deficiency must be there in your mail. That's what the reason I could not do that. Fine. Anything else?
No, sir. I will mail you. Thank you for that.
Fine. So just do one thing for today. Uh, let's complete your attendance. Lecture is supposed to be at timetable is not updated, I guess. Fine. Do one thing. Put your roll numbers, put your enrollment numbers into the chat box for your attendance. Only for today. Everybody put your enrollment numbers into the chat box. Everybody please put your enrollment numbers into the chat box for the attendance. Both of you have put the roll numbers. Has everybody done with the roll number? If you have done with the roll number, you can leave the meeting. I'm asking once again, have everybody deposited the roll numbers in the chat box for the attendance purpose? Fine. From tomorrow onwards, we'll continue according to your new timetable, right? See you afterwards.